equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV17 from the power source. Safety first. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips during this process. With the base cover off, you'll see the motor assembly. Now, locate the motor. It's usually secured with additional screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove these screws. As you do this, remember to keep track of where each screw belongs, as they can vary in size. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand the issue better. With the motor disconnected, you can now remove it from the housing. Take a moment to clean the internal components of your vacuum while you have it open. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris. This will help improve the performance of your new motor. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing and reconnect the wiring harness. Ensure that the connections are secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the motor is in place, replace the screws that hold it in position. Make sure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the motor. Next, reattach the base cover. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws at the base. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough inspection to ensure everything is in order. If you have any doubts, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Once you're satisfied, plug your Dyson SV17 back in and test it out. You should notice a significant improvement in suction and performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your vacuum needs right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.